only 3 sites in the United States that were included in that first trial of TAVR. TAVR refers to transcatheter aortic valve replacement. Nowadays we do it through a keyhole or minimally-invasive incision about this long. We call it the J incision. The benefit of TAVR is that patients get over the procedure quicker. It's a very good procedure in high-risk patients, patients who have other reasons why they shouldn't have surgery. The wonderful thing is at the Cleveland Clinic, we are at the leading edge. And there's no doubt we will be doing more of the less invasive heart operations. Patients will benefit from less invasive procedures, less painful procedures, shorter hospital stays, quicker return to home, family, and work.